Hello YouTube, welcome back. Let's resume our Twitter application. Right now we have made tweet and user models, and we have seeding the data for testing. Plus we have created the controllers for tweets and users by scaffolding. These controllers contain already made function that retrieve the data or has all the CRUD function like get by ID, put or edit, post or create, and delete. The same for the user, and you will find also home controller and values controller. You can delete them, we don't need them. Okay, let's start with our function. Our first method will be retrieving all the tweets to our page, but we don't want to retrieve only the tweets. This already made function retrieve only the tweets property. If we check here the tweet model, you can find that it will retrieve a list of tweets containing the contents, the type, the date, the user ID only. But we can't access the username, the first name, the last name. So we need to create a customized get tweet function that can retrieve a list of tweets plus the user data. I can write our code here, but I prefer to create a new class to add all the function and just here retrieve or call the function. This is just to make the code clear. Let's do it. Add okay, I made all the named functions. Class named we will make this close. This is an instance for our user tweet context. Let's create our function. So just a copy. All tweets. And here's the thing. Like we said, we want to retrieve all the properties from the tweets plus the user. So we need to create another model that combine all the properties from the tweets and the user. Let's do it. I'm here at the model. Let's name it user tweets. User tweet. And basically I will have all the properties from both. Of course not all the properties, I will take the copy and reformat later. Don't forget to make this public. we don't need of course need it. Tweet ID content and user ID first, type is created, is updated, parent ID plus the user properties. We got already the user ID, first name, last name. Okay, cool. Now we have our user tweet model ready. So here we will call the user tweet class. And now let's go for the cool part, which is the code. Work data. You can write either the SQL or the lambda expression. I will write for this function the SQL, and for another function I will write the lambda expression to display all the kind of code that you can write. Of course, you can choose whatever you want. Let's say from T and I got to be here from the tweet context. Join new and users on user ID, which is the foreign key, equals u.id. Okay. First name equal first name, last name equal last name. I will complete these properties, then I will get back to you because I don't want the video to be boring. But what I'm doing here is I'm doing something like mapping, getting all the properties from our entities here and assign the values to the properties of this model. Okay, we have wrote here all the properties that we want to retrieve from the tweets, but let's add another condition here. If we get all the tweets, we will get a list of all tweets, even the main tweet and the comments. But we don't want that. We want only the main tweets, and we will deal with their comments later. So we will add here condition where, remember, parent ID equal null. Equal. Right? We need to add here the parent ID. Okay. No, we add it. So what's the problem here? Missing equal. Okay. Just we need to call this function here. So instead of getting instance, we are here at Tweets controller, and instead of getting instance from the user context, we will have instance from our mainly created class, which is tweet functions. Let's name it. And just with all tweets. User tweet. Now our function is ready to display all the data. We want to implement the front end now, so we will test our function at postman. Before displaying, let's just add get. We will explain it right now. No, not Let's select the API, let's start the project, and let's try to run it. Actually, we don't need to use postman now because this is only a get method. It can be displayed on the normal HTML page or normal browser by calling the correct route that we added here. And let's explain it till the application build. This is a directive or attribute that specifies the type of this or the type of function for this method. We have many. We have HTTP get that say this is a get function that retrieve only the data. There is no edit function, there is no delete function, there is no create function. Actually, I don't need this. If I start naming my function by get, I can name my function by get, and it will already specify this function as a get method, or just starting my name with get. But I like to add it here just for consistency and not to think, we have a build error. Let's check what is it. Of course, I forgot. I deleted the tweet context and forgot that the scaffold have created many functions for us. Let's comment these out and we will check them one by one later. I'm commenting by pressing Ctrl K. then Control C to comment out. If I want to uncomment, I press Control K, then Control U. Okay, let's run again. Don't forget to copy the route you have tried. Okay, after running the application and adding our route after our local host, yeah, we got our list of tweets plus user data, the content, the first name, last name, and we got everything. Cool. We will create the front end later after creating all the functions that we need to build our project. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press like if you like the video. Bye.